Hello, everybody. I am Takeda Shingen, and today we're going to go through the process of getting BUSD, buying Gen with BUSD, and getting up to the point where you're going to battle. We're going to do this short videos, and we're going to make sure that everybody understands step by step on how to navigate our ecosystem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect our MetaMask wallet, and it's going to come up, ask us to sign the contract, which we will, and you're going to see, so this screen right here is the new wallet registration. I have a wallet that has never interacted with the contract, and it needs to have a referral code. So who gave you the reference? Now, this will not be present at the pre-sale. We're going to actually just do this part on the pre-sale, which is create your own user ID. That's the only thing you're going to see on pre-sale. We're having the programmers add that in, okay? Because obviously in the pre-sale nobody gave you a reference. So you're gonna go down here and you're gonna see this on pre-sale, and you're gonna create a username that is no longer than 15 characters and only alphanumeric characters. Okay, so let's create a let's do Takeda, and let's just do short Takeda 2. Use that for our wallet right now as a sample. So you can see up here this little button. It says if you do not have a referral code, press here. Okay, and what we did is we're actually going to have a sort of a lottery system where there are going to be up to 20 spots of people that do not want to, actively spread the name and do all kinds of advertisement and marketing. They don't have the time. What they can do is they can buy a spot out of those 20 spots, and we'll roll out that program. This is just a preview, and this is for the passive. Uh, this is for the passive investor. Okay, this is the person that's busy with work, puts in this money, checks in maybe once a day or something like that, and is able to just see the benefit just from that. All right. So what this will do is this will put in a referral code, and it will be generated out of one of those 20. So anybody, think about this, any new wallet that comes in from that just sees our Twitter or our Discord or the videos, they're going to come here. They don't have a referral code. They're going to need to put one in. Okay, this is similar to what other projects have, which is like the Drip ecosystem. I don't know if you're familiar with that. And a lot of the miners have that, which is a referral system. But we want people to spread the word about this great project, so that's why we made it mandatory. So you're going to press this button. This is on the regular screen. If you're in pre-sale, you're not going to have to do this. And we're going to click submit, and we're going to go in, and it's going to show us the dashboard. So the first question is, what is the liquidity pool of Gen, which is the native coin, paired with? It is paired with BUSD, okay? And you can see right here, you can buy Gen directly with BUSD, all right? So what you're going to want to do, right now, I can't use this one. You can go two ways. Both of these are exactly the same price, but the reason why we made the left one over here is so that when you buy directly through the dashboard, we might be running specials once in a while. So you got to pay attention. If we're selling them maybe no tax, maybe we'll airdrop something extra based on how our recursive neural network robots are doing. If they're doing real good, then we're going to give that right back. So you got to pay attention. We're going to have those little maybe a couple times a month based on performance. We're going to have that extra little bit that we're going to give back. Otherwise, you can always go and buy it on BogSwap or pancakeswap, which are the typical liquidity pools. That's what our liquidity pool will be hosted on pancakeswap. You can always buy it there, and that is a standard buy and sell tax on there. Here, like I said, we're going to run specials, and this will go directly through our system. Okay. So what we want to do is I want to show you guys on the MetaMask how to get the BUSDs. I know a lot of you might already know how to do this. You can go to Binance, you can go to Coinbase, you can go to FTX, I believe. All of them sell BUSD, okay, which is a BEP20 token. All right, that's the network. It's not Ethereum, it's not Bitcoin. You need to buy BUSD. All right. So once you buy BUSD, then you're going to be able to purchase Gen. All right. So how do you get BUSD? Okay, you're going to one way is to go through on here and click buy. You can see I'm on the test net, so all I can buy is Girly ETH or the test faucet. Don't worry about this. I'm only showing you right now from the test net, all right, which is where we're testing this. That's why you see Girly ETH and that's why you see FGen. These are the sample tokens right now that we're using, all right? This is our token that we're using for gas, and this is our token that we're using to test out the Gen. So don't worry about what it says here. But yes, you can click on buy. You can buy with a credit card. You can buy, I believe, with a bank transfer directly through the MetaMask, or you can transfer it to your MetaMask, which there's your address right there. You can transfer it to there from one of the central exchanges. So it's real easy. And if you're still having trouble, I can't stress this enough, come on by Discord. We will lead you on how to do it. We will help you out, even if you're absolutely first-time buyer. We will help you out as best we can. We'll even, help you get screenshots and everything else so that you're buying the right stuff and you're sending it on the right network. Okay. So once you get your Gen, all right. So you can see I have 4,709 of these test F gens right now. Okay, we call them F gens because we wanted to say fake for right now. Of course, they'll be called gens whenever we're on the main net. So you could see I have 4,709 in my wallet. Okay, this right here, total gen available to battle. This is how much is in my wallet. Right there, you can see it. And how much is in my castle? There's 0. So you can see this number, 4709.70 equals this, 4709.70. All right. So once we bought the F gen, or I should say gens, okay, we're going to go and we're going to battle. All right. And this is the fun part, obviously, because you could see here's my available battles. I got one guy and another guy that staked 100 gen, and in one battle that's proposed. These are proposed battles. And we're going to talk about all the battles in the next video, which I'm anticipating to be hopefully tomorrow. Not hopefully, we'll definitely put it out tomorrow because we've got to push all this content out so everybody starts understanding. But just to give you a preview, so this is a proposed battle. So here's what we're going to do right now. We're going to propose a battle. All right, so we're going to start a new battle. We're going to choose the risk amount. And again, I will go into what this means tomorrow, and I'll have some calculations for you as well. So we're going to risk, let's say our risk is 50%, and we're going to go with, let's go with 25 gen, okay? We're going to say propose the battle. So we're going to wait just a little bit. You can see the screen went 25%, and we're going to have to approve 2 times. Confirm, all right? So that approved once. We're going to wait. Do not click off screen. Don't worry, the system's working. The blockchain has to record it, okay? So now we're going to see we got the confirmation. Now we're got a second one. We're going to confirm that. We're at 50%. We're almost there. Okay, so this shouldn't take too long. Again, just don't close or refresh the window while the transaction is in progress. All right, so we're going to wait just a couple more seconds. And once it does, we'll see on the battleground here, there it is, transaction confirmed. Okay, great. So there is my username that we created. Gen staked is 25, and the risk is 50. Now, am I getting paid for staking? No, because you're not in a battle yet. Someone has to pick you, okay? So you say, well, how do I know somebody's going to pick me for a battle? Well, that is the choice that you're going to have to make. Either you come here and you can engage someone that has already proposed a battle. This is one strategy. You can propose your own battle to other players so that your risk is 50% and your gen staked is 25. Or you could go and create another wallet and battle yourself. Well, guess what happens then? You can actually go long enough that both wallets are going to be in winning territory. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time. This is a long-term game, but you can actually battle yourself, and I'm going to go over the 2 and 3 and 4 wallet strategies so that you can actually receive rewards from signing up your own wallets as well. Because every time that you are going to engage in a battle, you're going to have a certain percentage go to the castle, okay? So this is what we're going to go over tomorrow. Right now, we're just at the stage where we created a new battle. There it is. What we can do is we can back out of that battle, and we can engage somebody in this battle. All right, we're going to leave it right there. We're not going to make these videos too long. And if you have any questions, please ask them in Discord, and I will be very, very happy to answer them in great detail. Tomorrow, we're going to go over the numbers, how the battles work, what the numbers are, and how you can benefit from having 2, 3, 4, or even more wallets. Okay, we're going to go over all those rules. All right, guys, we'll see you in just less than 24 hours.